Why weren't you stopping back there when I hit the lights?
Go for it. 2359.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Patrol Vlog Season 3, Episode 20, which is going to be the final episode for now. If you guys are new here, I'm Mikey Moe. I've been a police officer for a little over 15 years, and on this channel we cover law enforcement topics, and I take you on virtual ride-alongs like today's episode where I show you body camera footage of actual calls for service that we go on. If you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, click the bell for notifications, and while you're at it, smash that thumbs up button so it gets out there to other people. This first call came in as a person down where a guy was doing yoga in a field but not doing yoga. Bless you.
More?
There we go.
How you doing today? What? You doing okay?
Can you do a favor and sit up and talk to us? Do you need paramedics?
You talk to me?
Yeah, why? What's up?
What happened there? Burst out of nowhere. You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. Just hanging out.
Just hanging out.
Why didn't you want to talk to me just 2 seconds prior?
I've been busy.
Been busy? Okay. Are you doing okay? Do you have any medical, anything you need help with?
No, not really.
Okay. Why are you laying out here?
Change of atmosphere.
Huh?
Change of atmosphere. I get kind of
Okay, so somebody called because they were very concerned about you laying here in an open field randomly. Looked like
really?
you were in a fetal position.
Oh, well,
They actually said it looked like you were doing yoga, but you weren't doing yoga.
haha.
No, that's exactly what they said. That's literally what our call notes say.
If it's okay with you, I have FD coming out just to check on you because you weren't really responding to me just a minute ago.
Well, can we go somewhere? Or...
Well, they're gonna come here. This is the location, so we'll just hang out just for a little bit for them.
They'll just take your blood pressure, ask you a couple questions, see if you want to go to the hospital, and if you don't,
What's your name?
you don't.
That's gnarly. You sick?
Yeah.
COVID?
What was it?
Should wear a mask.
Have you had anything to drink today? Paramedics are gonna ask you some similar questions. They're gonna need the answers in order to determine that you don't need to go to the hospital. Just providing you that heads up when they get here. Okay?
I just wanted a place to sleep, man.
That's fine, and we can help you with that.
Have you ever been a person that is tired and just wanted a place to sleep?
Well, yeah, that's fine, but you can't just come over to private property and lay down in the middle of a field and not expect somebody to call the police and wonder what's going on. It's not a normal place to just lay down and take a nap.
Oh, man.
Where do you usually stay?
I'm not coming back, so...
What's that?
Can't hear you when you're talking into the ground. What was the last thing you said? You're not what? I mean, we're trying to help you, but we can't help you if you don't even talk to us.
There is no goddamn hope for me, man.
Okay.
I'm too retarded to everything. Sorry. Retarded.
That's not very politically correct to say, sir. That word is offensive to many.
Well, I have a couple retarded citizens, so that'd be more offensive to me than more than you. So.
What's your name?
You want to act offended? You want to act this or that way?
I just said many people are.
I've done nothing to nobody, dude.
We didn't say you did.
You guys just surrounded me out here and attacking me.
Nobody's attacked you.
And accosting me.
Do you know what the definition
And
of
now
accosting
you want to
means?
know what it's like to be accosted.
Can you define accosted for me?
Someone that's trying to mind their own business is surrounded and harassed by a law enforcement type individual. That's the word definition of accosted.
I don't think
we
so,
told
but I
you
can look it
earlier that
up.
We got a call to check on your welfare.
But you're looking at the Barney's version of dictionary or whatever. I don't give a shit. I don't
Webster's?
I don't want to get into it with you, man.
Okay. Well, did you miss the part where we said you're on private property? Yeah, sticky little fact there, huh?
Yeah. Well, I'm sorry that I exist. I'll take care of that for you real soon. Don't worry.
What's that mean?
Whatever you want to interpret as.
Tell me what it means. I don't want to.
You don't know. I'm not gonna say shit. You guys don't put words in my fucking mouth.
I didn't put
Win
any
every
words in
battle
your
that you want and do whatever you want, and it's just whatever.
mouth. So what's your name? I need your name at least.
My name is Who Gives a Shit.
I do. That's why I'm out here.
Well, you have to fight for that one.
What would you like to do this evening, sir?
Smoke a cigarette and go to bed. I haven't slept in 3 fucking days, man. I haven't slept.
Do you have any
There's
cigarettes?
No place to sleep. There's no place to sleep.
We can get you into Safe Harbor.
What is that?
It's a shelter.
I just want to sleep, man.
Well,
I haven't slept in such a long time. I'm so stressed out.
okay. Well,
I'm gonna go back to Colorado. I'm going back to Colorado this Friday because this place has been so rude and fucked up to me.
you don't like Florida?
What's in Colorado?
My family.
Oh. How'd you get down here?
I flew here by myself.
You know anybody
I wanted
here?
to have a life. I wanted to have a nice life for myself. And
Okay.
I've tried so fucking hard, dude. I tried so hard. And like I cannot get people to leave me alone and stop giving me a hard time. And I'm so fucking done with it down here. I am done. I'm going back. Don't worry. I'm going back to Colorado. You will never see me again in a couple days.
Okay.
I am never coming back. This place is shit. I am never coming back.
We have America's #1 beach here.
That sounds like the worst crock of shit I've ever heard.
It's true. Do you need a lighter? If I get you a lighter, will you tell my partner your name?
I will never come back and I will leave.
I just need a name and a date of birth. That's
Just so
all.
we can tell the fire department.
I just want to leave.
Listen, the fire department's gonna ask me though, so if I just get that out of the way, you can be cleared and not have to go with them if you don't want to.
Did you have
It
one,
makes
Kay?
our process a lot smoother. So if I can get all that done in the forefront, it makes it a lot easier.
You know how hard it is to be a guy who is really sleepy and like when you're really sleepy and you want to find a place to sleep and you're like, no, you can't sleep here. No, you can't sleep here. It's like, dude, like, what are you gonna do? Your body's gonna pass out whether you like it or not.
Yeah, I get it. Just unfortunately, you picked a very open place to do that, and people are nosy nowadays, and they call. You know, we wouldn't be bothering
My name
you.
is Micah Rutland. I come from Boulder, Colorado. 40/30/87 is my birthday. I'm moving back. I'm moving back in a couple of days, so don't worry. I'm not gonna.
All right. We'll get you out of here in just a minute, like I said.
So then go answer some other asshole, because I'm fine.
Well, you originally wouldn't talk to us, and you're just laying there moaning, so we have limited options.
Dude, you guys are busy enough.
Trust me, I know that's.
I'm fine. Please go do something else.
Okay, you answer our questions, we go away, and we go
My
run
name's
another
Mike.
call. If you leave this still, it will keep quick. I mean, don't bend it, don't move it, don't do anything.
I'm leaving in a couple days. I'm never coming back. Okay? I mean, that's gonna be the greatest deal you guys ever heard. No more Micah. Shit. That'll save you guys a shitload of trouble.
How long have you been here?
11 days.
That's it? And you already want to go back?
Yeah.
Man, people spend a lot of money to come here.
No, this place sucks. This place sucks.
Sign right here.
Yeah, I don't give a shit about those.
Just put it in your mouth. Use your other hand. There we go.
Red tight shit.
Multitask. It's a pretty cool signature.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Hey,
heroes.
hey, I have family members that died from the FDNY. Say nothing but respect.
All right.
Okay?
So you're all good? You don't need any help?
No,
All right.
I'm okay.
Can you just do me a favor? If you're going to
Yes,
lay
sir.
down somewhere to nap, can you just do it a little bit out of sight so the public can't see you and call
I'm
us?
just gonna check out town right now and just leave.
Okay. Cool.
But I have family members from the FDNY, and thank you very kindly for
See ya.
the service. I have nothing but the utmost respect for you guys.
All right. We're just trying to help you.
Thank you with the utmost of my heart. Like, no, seriously.
No,
I respect you guys.
we appreciate it.
Thank you guys.
All right.
Your trip back to Colorado, okay? Just say
You ever watch a show called Rescue Me?
No. I try to forget about everything related to this stuff when I go
Like
home.
Dennis Leary.
Yeah, I know who he is.
It's a good show.
All right. I'll think about it. All right. Goodbye, Mr. Rutland. All right, so that's where that call wrapped up. He went on his way and there were no more issues. And I get a lot of comments about, I can't believe how much time you guys spend with these people, so on and so forth. And you have to understand, once we get this call, we're married to them until we can come up with a final decision. We can't just turn around and go, this is annoying and leave. So we have to go through those steps, as petty as it might seem, getting them checked out, this and that. It's nowadays everything is CYA. So that's what we have to do. And then once it's done, he moves on. This next call is going to be a traffic stop, and I'm going to let the whole first part play out for you guys so you can see what happens. But essentially, they don't stop.
At Highland Pine Brook. With floor tag. John Boy Ida, Frank 63, JBI F63. We're passing Highland Palmetto now. It's gonna be on a silver Ford.
Incident assigned.
What's this guy doing? 12. New locations will be Highland and Jacaranda. Hey, sir. I'm Officer Rawl. Why weren't you stopping back there when I hit the lights?
We didn't stop. We just keep going.
Yeah, you gotta stop when I put the lights on. It's called a traffic stop. You gotta pull over, okay? All right. Do you have a license on you?
Yeah.
Can I see that?
License. Driver license.
The driver license in the trunk.
Okay. Can you pop that for me? Don't get out.
Passport.
Okay. Do you have a Florida license?
Yeah.
Do you have a Florida driver's license?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hit the trunk for me? The trunk on the. Where is it in your bag?
Yeah, in trunk.
Yeah. Where's his saying his license is in the trunk? Is it in a bag or something?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you pop the trunk for me?
Does he speak English?
A little bit. We are
Okay.
new here, so we didn't realize when you light off, we have to pull over or not. So we just keep going. So after a few minutes, we realized we had to pull over.
Yeah, that's why we started with the sirens. Yeah, if you ever see the lights on like that, you need to slow down and pull to the side of the road or try and pull off on the nearest side street. If it's an ambulance or something that just needs to go by, as you pull over, they'll just go around you and keep going. If they stay behind you like this, it means we're stopping you
Understood.
and that. So yeah, no big deal.
Where's his saying his license is in the trunk? Is it in a bag or something?
Yes. Yes, the trunk.
Pop the trunk for
Sure.
me?
Yeah.
Let me ask you this before
Yeah,
he does.
get off and.
1 second. What kind of license does he have? A license from somewhere in
We are
this?
from the South Korea, and
Okay.
we have a driver license from South Korea, and we have an international driver license. We have both.
Okay, all right. He's got like an international driver's license type thing, and probably it's not going to run in ours, but it'll have the information. Is it a rental car or?
Yeah, it's a rental car.
Okay. Do you guys live here now, or are you just visiting?
Oh,
Or?
it's a visiting, you know.
Okay.
Just for a week.
All right, step out for me. Go for it. Okay. All right, you can take a seat.
Where are you guys staying right now?
We are staying in the residence in Marriott downtown hotel, just 5 minutes from here.
Okay.
So we are heading to the hotel.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Just on vacation or
We have a business trip here.
a what?
Business trip.
Business trip?
Yeah,
Okay.
for a week. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure my partner will explain to you in a minute. The reason we stopped you in the first place is you guys have no lights on.
Lights.
You're
Yeah.
driving with no headlights. So.
Yes, so we are trying to find how we light on, so that's why we a little bit slow down going, and we couldn't find how to turn on the light because it's a rent car. It's very
Right.
new for us, so that's why
We'll show you before we leave.
Yeah.
You said it wouldn't go on, like show up in our computer.
I don't think so. So right here.
Yes.
Here.
Ah.
Turn it all the way to the right,
Yeah.
and that'll be on. So yeah. So if you leave it on this one, the one that's all the way to the right,
automatic.
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 So then when you shut them off, they'll go off. Like sometimes there'll be a delay, like they might stay on for 30 seconds, but then they'll turn off. You just leave it like this, and you should be fine. Then tomorrow, when it's nighttime or whatever, they'll come on when you need them. So
Sorry
just.
for inconvenience.
That's okay, not a problem. We get it figured out. It just makes us nervous when people don't
Yes,
stop,
that's right.
because usually it's for a bad reason, not
Yeah,
So
we struggle with that. Thank you for
No
stopping
problem.
to help us. Yes.
no problem. Yeah, he's just gonna check that real quick, and we'll get you on your way. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
No problem. All right, so yeah, they are from another country, and things are done differently other places, and sometimes I forget how common we think it is, because obviously people here who live in the United States, should know this, but I remember going to the Bahamas a few years back, and their police officers drive around with their lights on all day long. And I even said when I was there, I was like, how does somebody know whether they're getting pulled over or not? So things are done different places, and you have to try to remember that. Obviously, this case, total misunderstanding. We got it squared away. My partner, or actually my recruit at the time, ran everything. It was all good to go, and then we moved on from this. If you want, go ahead and turn the hazard lights off now. That way you don't forget when you pull away.
Okay.
So that, like the little red triangle button there in the middle, just go ahead and push that. That way you can turn them off for now.
Okay.
You don't need them.
So while I was driving, the light is off. Is it?
They were. That's why we stopped you to tell them to turn them on. Yeah.
Okay.
And what I was saying right now, you guys push the hazard button, so like all your the lights are flashing.
Okay.
Go ahead and turn those off now, so you don't forget, because you can't drive with those on.
Okay.
So like that little red triangle, push that.
Right, try this one.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Push it right now. There we go. Perfect.
Okay.
You're all set. Okay. All right, so one other thing I'm going to leave you guys with actually is a question. Some guy went off on me in the comments one day with one of my other traffic stop videos saying we shouldn't be talking to people like this. We're there to do business. Basically, something about it made him more nervous. I think having a general conversation with somebody like this would make them less nervous in a situation like this. Like, to take their mind off of it, just have a general conversation, not prying or investigating, just having a conversation. What do you guys think? From home to here?
Oh, it was a very long flight, 14, 15 hours from South Korea.
Wow.
Actually, yesterday I just arrived here.
Oh, okay. Is it non-stop flight?
We have a connecting flight in the Atlanta
Okay.
and then to the Tampa
Okay.
airport. Actually, last night I have a jet lag. I haven't slept at all.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a long haul.
Yeah.
What's that?
The weather here is a super ice pack,
Oh,
but I can handle it.
yeah. You get used to it after a while.
Yeah.
But it is, yeah, it's been pretty warm.
Yeah, it means to pull over right away. Now we learn. Thank you guys.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
All right.
All right.
Yep, I got them on for him.
Thank you.
All right, take care. Enjoy your trip. All right, guys, so that's where this one's going to wrap up. As always, I appreciate all of your support. I appreciate all of you guys watching the videos and leaving comments. So if you have anything that you want to see, questions you want answered, definitely leave them in the comments down below. I will keep you guys updated. If you're not already following me on Instagram, I'll probably be posting there in between now and when I do the next full-length YouTube video. So I still want to do the questions and answers. So guys, if you have anything that you want to know, go ahead and drop them in the comments here or DM me on Instagram and leave them there, and I'll try to compile those for a questions and answers video. All right, so that's where I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys are having a great day, night, evening, whenever it is you're watching this. And until the next video, take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.